So after shoveling twice yesterday, and it kept snowing all night, this is what we have as a result. Shoveled off that deck twice yesterday. There's still like 6 inches of snow on there. It's pretty crazy. Now I have to figure out how to dig everything out so I can get the trash cans to the end of the driveway so we can take our trash out.
I think that Sensodine's been great in terms of repurposing. Now I can put ice in my water. Sensodyne absolutely works. There you have it.
She looks so goofy. Good morning, Tutor.
Hi.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the cuddle. Even though you're chewing on your foot. So we get to have another quiet morning here because the roads are awful. But I have to start getting ready for work soon. Oh my God, Zachary.
Well then. I don't know, you did this to yourself.
She was so cute until like 30 seconds ago.
I just got back from, there's like a new farmer's market type grocery store by our house. So I just got back and I spent like 40 bucks. And I got chicken and like steak, and the biggest thing that was most expensive was the steak, and I got a thing of quinoa. But so everything else was really relatively cheap, and it's like a farmer's market, like I said, so they try to be good with the, like, sell good food and not all this processed stuff. So trying to unpack, I got mauled as soon as I got in the house by Nora, so the handles on the bag are no longer there because she ripped them off and the bag went flying to the ground. So hopefully everything's still intact and fine, so we'll find out.
So I think I'm going to take Nora for a walk now. I've been home for about 40 minutes and it really sounds a lot better to stay inside and to not go out in the cold. But I know she needs to go for a walk, and I know it will be good for me too. So this is your motivation. Oh, little puppy head. For those of you who don't want to go work out today. So my phone ran out of battery, but this is your motivation. I'm going to go, and I really don't want to, but I will be happy that I went when I got home. I'm going to try and make this a nice long walk for her because she didn't get to go out yesterday because it was like blizzarding. We got over 10 inches. So she was cooped up. And thankfully she did great, but she's all like antsy and like jittery now. So, okay, pause to work out. Go do something healthy, even if it's just drink water. So goofy. She's like sleeping. Oh my god, you guys, it's so cold. But look how pretty it is. Good girl, Nora. Good puppy. That's so pretty. Perfect little puppy picture right there. And I've got my big boots on so we can tromp through the snow. I thought they plowed this. Evidently not. Oh boy, my hand is really, really cold. Are you tired? Go over this way. Come on. So we made it through our snowy day here, and we made it through the morning after. It took people like triple commute times today, I guess, to get into Minneapolis. It was like taking over an hour to normally go like 20 minutes. So I am very, very glad that I didn't have to go far today. And by the time Zach had to go down, it was all clear, so that is good. I am so excited that it's almost Friday, but now I'm like getting nervous with more things I need to get done to get ready for it. So time can go really fast, but maybe slow down just like a tiny bit. Zach brought me up clothes from downstairs that I had drying, just like sweaters and stuff. And he also brought up my onesie that I apparently left down there, my little zebra. I really I kind of want to wear this. But I know I shouldn't. That's like a little bit too excessive. But, oh, I need to figure out what I'm going to wear this weekend. I don't know. I just finished planning part of Saturday. I confirmed it today. And I'm getting so excited. But I still don't want Zach to know anything about it. Are you excited for this weekend, Zachary?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think is going to happen?
I have no idea.
It's going to be really fun though, right? So I have that Hey Siri thing on my phone. And I was just talking to Zach. And all of a sudden Siri goes, I can't answer that. I thought that was only if it was plugged in it did that.
No, you probably held down the button.
Oh. But it
'Cause
was
if you
just
hold down the button, it'll be it'll wait for you to say something. And
But I
then-
wasn't holding. Look at how high maintenance she just got.
What?
You love her. Can't roll your eyes when she's high maintenance.